We'll include opening remarks from the ambassador. We'll all again.
We are both gateways, the Netherlands to Europe, Kenya to Africa. And this offers significant opportunities for investment, innovation, and sustainable growth. In these turbulent times, Kenya's strategic importance to the Netherlands and to Europe, and vice versa, cannot be overstated. As a regional hub, Kenya offers access to a rapidly growing regional market of more than 500 million people, supported by strong infrastructure, a youthful and educated workforce, and a vibrant and innovative private sector. And so it's no surprise that the Dutch economic footprint in Kenya is large and growing. The Netherlands remains one of the largest destinations for Kenyan exports globally and consistently ranks top in the European markets, strengthens agricultural value chains, supports farmers, and enhances food security. Such investments demonstrate how private sector engagement can deliver both commercial and developmental impact.